Hello guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually find honeycomb in Minecraft from bees. So first of all, please make sure that you open your game, and otherwise make sure that you have the latest version of Minecraft that got the bees on them. So for me, I've spawned in this area, for example, and I will have to find now bees in this place. This biome actually doesn't help to find bees, so I will go ahead and click open to land, and I will start searching for biome that contains bees on them. So let's do something like that, and let's start searching for bees. I hope it's gonna be so much like close to us. If not, I will have to spawn it by my the creative mode. So let's search somewhere in here. I don't think we will find it anywhere nearby us. Unfortunately, we couldn't find it. So what we are going to do is just spawn them by going to here, and we have this bee net, something like that, and we put it in here. So after we spawn some bees, I need them to go inside. If not, it will not work for us. Let's get some seeds as well, and come here. Not seeds, I mean flowers. Let's get a flower for me. Okay, here, they will start following me, and come here, you as well. Come here and eat this. I hope they go inside. Hopefully they go inside. Let's put some flowers around it. Yeah, so for me it would take really a long time for them to go inside. So what you have to do, basically, if you got it fully with the honey inside, it will be shown in here instead of this black place. It will be showed as like yellow marking here. So what you have to do is get a chair, and then just get here and right click, and it will give you the honeycomb. But be careful, the bees might attack you right after you take it. So that was it with today's tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.